Hi, welcome back to Spark CSC channel and back to the tutorial for computer networks. Today we're going to continue the topic called the Linux network commands. Already discussed the part 1 10 commands. Today we will continue the remaining 10 commands. It's so simple and easy. When you have doubt, please kindly communicate with the social media and please kindly check the playlist and also continue the video classes. Let's go for session today. So today we're going to see the topics, the commands like host ERP, IW config, hostname, WZ, MTR, who is, if flux status, if top, at last TCP dump. First of all, the host. What is host here? Host is nothing but is one of the important Linux network command. It always check all IP address associated with the domain here. So what are the IP address associated things? Everything will provide with the help of this command only. Let's say example, whenever the command host space google.com, it will give you the information like 149.77.21.18 and so on. Moreover, these kind of commands combine the host command with -t and get DNS resource records like SOA, NSA, PTR and so on and so on. General syntax is host space -t space resource name, like that I can use. So host means what? It's one of the Linux network command. Check all the IP address of the given domain. Next one, ARP address resolution protocol is one of the standard and important Linux network protocol. Here, what will do means it's a one where is used to view and add content to the kernel's ARP table here. Syntax is ARP. Let's say example, if whenever they figure out the command ARP space -e, it will say the hardware address. What are the hardware address associated with the command? Everything will display here. Then next command is IA config. Here is one of the simple command used to configure the wireless network interface. Moreover, it also set and view the basic Wi-Fi details like SSID and encryption. So if you want more about the command, you can refer to the main page, and also in the syntax is IW config. So here remember this is a one, it will display about wireless network interface, whether your system able to connect with the wireless network interface or not. Next one is the host name. So as the name implies, is the one of the simple command used to be one set the host name of a system. What is the host name of system that you had now? So that time you can use this, figure out this command, and syntax is host name. So output is, so you can set the host name very easily. Host name, remember, so simple and easy. And next one is the WG. So here wget. So before that we are now curl command curl. So curl and wget both we can use to combine here. So curl means one of the command used to download the files from the internet. Wget is the wget is opposite one. Here let's say the syntax is wget file link and wget google.com/ some information I'm giving, the link following description I'm giving here. What are the information? After getting the example, figure out this command, it will display the relevant information here. What are the relevant element? What are the relevant elements it will provide here? Next one, the MTR. So it's one of the combination of ping and the trace route command here. Moreover, what will do means when you figure out this command, it always display information regarding the packet sent with the ping time of each time. Each hop also used to do with the network issues. Example, you can syntax is MTR space pair. Example, you can say MTR space google.com. Remember, so whatever the information MTR will say means it will ping the time of hop and everything at particular time within few seconds. What packets are transferring, what packets are coming, outgoing, incoming, and everything. All the information will displayed with the help of this MTR only. Next, who is command. So who is the name place is one of the important command where it fetch all the information related to a website. They get the information like website owner, registration, and so on. Let's say example, when I give index, who is space website name. Let's say example here. Suppose I mean who is space google.com. It will give you the more information, relevant information, what you are searching here. Remember, so simple and easy. We can use next one. Next, one of the important command is called if flux status. Here is one of the command used to check if a cable is plugged into the network interface. That means what? Suppose I want system, I have a system, I want to use internet means that time we need this one, this command also. So we have to check whether the NIC card is inserted properly or not. Once your NIC card is inserted properly, then only the plug status will be on and we can utilize the internet. Otherwise, not. So moreover, this is a command not directly available on Ubuntu also. We can install the command like this sudo space apt underscore get install space if plug D. Syntax is if plug status. So remember, when I want to do internet activities, I have to check out this command only. Next, another command is called if top. So is one of the command used to information if top. So here is the command used to download the if top on a system. So command like this if top also one of the command easy to show the information. Okay, and also here the unfortunately I given here this wrong, so this sentence not here. And if top also one of the command used to display the information about the system. And at last TCP dump is there. It what will do means it's one of the this command always capture the traffic and also analyze the network. So analyze the network traffic. You can simply it capture traffic that is passing through the network interface and display it also. Example syntax is $symbol TCP dump space minus a network device. So what are the network device I'm going to give here? Figure out when you figure out the command, it will give all the information here. So what are the information here? It will show here. Let's say another command you can say TCP dump space minus I, then network device name space TCP. So it exactly monitor and analyze the capture, analyze, or you can say analyze the traffic, or you can say analyze the network, or you can say capture traffic exactly what are the traffic, all the things will be captured here. So these are about the another Linux network commands. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the following social media. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you. If you like the video, please share it. Thank you.